Air Marshal retired Henry Muchena, whose real name is Jabulani Mulangu, alongside unnamed associates, has escalated their campaign by issuing a menacing communication directed at me. All I did was to engage with their prayer post, addressing its false narrative as an innocent retort to the proposed amendments and qualifying it as a political gimmick of conflicted individuals. Salapina mashkobda pankwa inwe nokonze Mliswa it back. At Henry Muchena. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mabula mchinzi. Now I also don't take lightly to people who think that kushikisa ZVAITWA is a valid operational tactic. At some point we shall all die. No one is guaranteed to outlive others, and in the same way, one may depend on whatever gives them bellicose bravery. We all have our own fountains for the same. Politics ought not to be characterized by intimidation. Zimbabwe is a democratic and not a military state where individuals must shrink from expressing their views. This nation is a collective possession belonging to all its inhabitants and not merely to a select coterie who may erroneously perceive themselves as the architects of our shared existence. The Second Republic is unequivocally a manifestation of the collective will of the citizenry rather than a mere extension of military influence. The 2017 public uprising, coupled with the impeachment proceedings initiated by members of the parliament, culminated in the designation of President Mugabe, underscoring the power of the people. It is worth noting that the military faltered during the pivotal Asante Sana moment as Mugabe steadfastly resisted the attempts at coercion. Consequently, the nation remains firmly rooted in a democratic framework governed by a constitution that is amenable to amendments. Moreover, the political landscape is not dictated by etiquette of military decorum. Therefore, those who venture into the political arena must be prepared to engage on equal footing rather than relying on the endowment of rank and distinction. Engagement is done on the weight of preferred points, not rings and medals. Do mashukwani achiriplywa na Temba Mliswa kuna generals kunokonze Temba Mliswa panguwa inoi ari kuzvidzikisira zvakanyanya achishandiswa nezvigananda kuno kwakunzi he is running away from zvari kubvunziwa nemagenerals achiwanza nhoroondo nenyambo but zvari kubvunziwa kunzi tiudze pataita treason kuti tiudze isusu sevarwi vehondo patinotadza kupindira nhau idzi ndepapi tiudze pamuri kutaura muchiti sevagari munyika yeZimbabwe we are not allowed kuti tinoenda kureferendum panhau dzinenge dzinyazozikanwa kuti dzinoda aiwa maviews evagari venyika yeZimbabwe. Pena comment section medu zafura eimnot kudi pamusoro pemukomana Mliswa. Pena comment section medu subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.